Welcome back to our channel, Creative Home and Garden. Well, today I want to tell you about the Monstera Adansonii and how to care of it. Let's check it out. This is my first Monstera Adansonii. This monstera has been being propagated by me through cutting away. In this video, I will change the trellis because it has started to be withered. I replace it using the trunk that has been dried coat with coconut fibers. The purpose of using this coconut fiber is as a media planting root Monstera Adansonii that grows in the upper root. The first step, remove the planting media from the pot. Some of this planting media, I will roast the later to mix it with new planting media. The second step, replant the Monstera Adansonii along with the trunk of the tree. Make sure the tree trunk is shaped. The third step, route the Monstera Adansonii to the trunk, then bind it to the tip of the trunk so as not to lose. For the first step, water the planting media and the tree trunk until the coconut fiber which are in the trunk of the tree wet. And the last step, put the Monstera Adansonii in the shady place for a while. Well guys, that's all the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and don't forget for subscribe. See you in the next video.